What's up, fine people, and I welcome you all again to my day 16 of saving and investing challenge, which is going to last for a period of 90 days, and we are definitely going to be cashing out on the 1st January 2026. So I'm here to send you a reminder or to notify you or to ask you if you have saved or invest today, because of course we are not only going to be saving, we can as well choose to invest, but either one, we're just going to be doing it every single day for the period of 90 days. So let me know if you have saved. Let me know in the comment section. Let me know the platform you used to save. Is it Cowrywise? Is it Pampe, Ope? Is it PiggyVest? Are you joining the current 90-day challenge that PiggyVest is holding now? Let me know in the comment section. Have you joined? Have you even started? Let me know in the comment section. How much have you saved or invested? Let me know in the comment section. Are you coming across this challenge for the first time? Then let me know in the comment section. But if you're coming across this challenge and you're saying, oh Omo, this is the day 16th already, it seems like I'm too late to join this challenge, then I want to let you know that you are never too late. And did you know what? I want you to start today. Yes, if you can be able to start today, then it means that you are serious to do something about your finance. Okay, so do well to start today. So I made mention of on the day 15th, I made mention of bringing an update to you guys about us borrowing Dangote money and Dangote paying us back the money we borrowed him, and also pay us interest to say thank you for borrowing me money, right? Yes, I talked about bringing that update. So if you watched the day 15th video that I posted, then on this day 16th, I am telling you that at the end of this video, I want you to click on the video you are going to see on the screen, because I've already prepared that video. So once you click on the video, you are going to see step by step how you can be able to borrow Dangote money, or the updates of borrowing Dangote money to get paid. Okay, so the tip that is going to keep us consistent throughout the whole 90-day challenge, I have main two tips. The first one is cutting down on your expenses, and the second one is automating your savings. That's for people that wants to save. You can still automate investment, okay, or investing, anyone, right? Yes, using the platform or the fintech platform you want to make use of. The reason why I'm recommending fintech platform is that if you are saving, it is not only going to give you the total money you are going to be saving every day, but rather they are going to also pay you interest for saving your money. Now, how cool is that? You are saving. For those that is saving, you are saving to also get paid for saving. Now, how cool is that? So click the like button if I got you to this point. If you're yet to join this beautiful family, I recommend you click on that subscription button and turn on the bell notification. Yes, so click on the video you are seeing on the screen right now, and I will definitely see you on the other side. I want you to keep winning, and as you are winning, I want you to have it at the back of your mind that Leo is rooting for you. Yes, I am rooting for you. Until I'm going to see you on the other video. We go again tomorrow, comrade. Bye.